Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to visit Pashupatinath temple. It is one of the oldest Hindu temple of uh, Nepal. Pashupatinath temple is one of the most famous and oldest Hindu temple in Nepal. The holy shrine is the greatest place among the Lord Shiva sites. Pashupatinath temple is located in northeast of Kathmandu Valley, about 5 kilometers away in the bank of Bagmati river. Bagmati is represented at the prayers rivers by religious people where they rinse their body before entering the temple for worshipping. The enclosed area of Pashupatinath is on the UNESCO's World Heritage Site. Pashupati is also the national deity of Nepal. It is mainly worshipped in Nepal and India. It is also the incarnation of Lord Shiva. The earliest claimed evidence of Pashupati comes from the Indus Valley civilization. The five faces of Pashupatinath represents various incarnations of Shiva. Satyojata, known as Varun; Vamdeva, known as Uma Maheshwara; Tat, Purusha, Aghor, and Isana. They faces west, north, east, south, and zenith, respectively, representing Hinduism's five primary elements, namely earth, water, air, light, and ether. Pashupatinath temple is one of the biggest and most sacred Hindu temples of Lord Shiva in the world. It is located on the bank of Bagmati river in the eastern part of Kathmandu, the capital of Nepal. It stands as a symbol of faith, religion, culture, and tradition. The beauty, richly ornamented pagoda-style temple houses the sacred linga or helix symbol of Lord Shiva. Thousands of pilgrims from all over the world come to this temple around the year to pay respect to Lord Shiva. Pashupatinath temple is also known as the Temple of Living Beings. Pashupati area is regarded as one of the most important pilgrims by the followers of Hinduism. Thousands of devotees from within and outside the country come to pay homage to Pashupatinath every day, and on special occasions like Ekadashi, Sankranti, Mahashivratri, Teej, Raksha Bandhan, Gardhan Purnima, the whole atmosphere turns festive and mirthful as people congregate here as in a far greater number. During the Shivratri festival, Pashupatinath temple glows with lights of ghee lamps glows throughout the night, and the temple remains open all night. Thousands of devotees take rituals bath in the Bagmati river on the day of the festival and observe as a sage from different parts of Nepal and India come here on the occasion of Mahashivaratri. In August, during the Tej festival, thousands of women holy waters of Bagmati river because this ritual is meant to bring a long and happy marriage. Many women dress in red saris which are traditionally worn for wedding ceremonies. Full moon and new moon days are also considered auspicious visit to this temple. Inspiring and outstanding pagoda architecture. The two-level roof of the temple are embellished with gold and the four main doors are silver. The western door has a statue of large bull oriented in gold, Nandi. The black stone idol about 6 feet height and circumference adds to the beauty and charisma of the temple. Believers in Pashupatinath, mainly Hindus, are allowed to enter the temple premises. Non-Hindu visitors are allowed to have look at the temple at the opposite bank of Bagmati river. But tourists are also allowed to enter inside the temple. But they are not allowed to take any cameras or phone inside the temple. There are some of the daily rituals which is followed at Pashupatinath temple. 4 a.m. in the morning, west gate opens for visitors. At 8:30 a.m., after arrival of pujaris, the idols of the lords are bathed and cleaned. Clothes and jewelry are changed for the day. At 9:30 a.m., Bal Bhog or breakfast is offered to the Lord. 10 a.m., the people who want to do puja are welcome to do, and it's also called Pharmacy Puja, where people tell the pujari to carry a special puja for their specified reasons. The puja continues till 1:45 p.m. in the afternoon. At 1:50 p.m., lunch is offered to the Lord to the main Pashupatinath temple. 2 p.m. morning prayers ended. At 5:15 p.m., the evening aarti at the main Pashupati temple begins. At 6 p.m. onwards, the recently Bagmati Ganga Aarti is done at the source of Bagmati. Has been gaining lots of popularity. We can see those sources of Bagmati crowded mostly on Saturdays, Monday and on special occasions. Ganga Aarti along with Shiva Tandav Bhajan written by Ravana is carried out evening Ganga Aarti. At 7 p.m. door is closed.
जैसे वहाँ का ये है ना बाबा बैजनाथ साहब वैसे यहाँ पर सपना
The enclosed area of Pashupatinath temple is on UNESCO's World Heritage List. The pilgrimage site each year visited by thousands of devotees, general people and tourists from all over the world, either for worshipping, research or knowing about the history behind the temple's glory construction. In the past, only Hindus were allowed to enter the temple and worshipped, whereas others could only observe the Pashupatinath temple from the bank of Bagmati river. However, some incidents have changed the belief of people, which have opened the door of temple for every human being. Legendary says that once horseman was amazed to see a cow sowing the earth with her milk. While digging the sites further, the main font of the divine linga of Pashupatinath. There is not any exact clue that when was the temple founded. General beliefs of people state that it came into existence date back to 400 AD. Tradition says it was founded by Pasupreksha of Somdeva dynasty during the 3rd century of BC, but Pashupatinath holds the historical date of foundations from 13th century. The temple was later erected by King Bhupitendra Malla 17th century after it was occupied by termites. This includes the other temples construction in the same time. The Vaishnav temple with Ram temple from 14th century and the Gayeshwari temple mentioned in the 11th century manuscript. The priests who offer daily prayer in this temple are Bhat Brahmins from South India, Karnataka since the last 350 years. The priest of Pashupatinath temple is called Bhatta and the chief priest is also called Mool Bhatta and or Raval. The chief priest of temple is only reports to the king about the temple matters on periodic basis. The richly ornamented pagoda of Pashupatinath houses the sacred linga of Lord Shiva. Thank you for the visit. If you have any queries, please comment down below. I will reply. Thank you.